Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails the completion of 3 years of PM GTI Shakti National Master Plan. The 149th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union to begin today in Geneva. Durga Puja celebrations conclude in Shillong with idol immersion in Waumkhra River. A fire breaks out in OB shopping mall at Kandailat due to a short circuit. And in the Asian Table Tennis Championships 2024, Ahika Mukherjee and Sutirtha Mukherjee script history by clinching the first ever medal for India. Here's the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded the completion of 3 years of the PM GTI Shakti National Master Plan, stating that the initiative has emerged as a transformative resource in revolutionizing India's infrastructure. In a social media post, Modi said that GTI Shakti has significantly enhanced multimodal connectivity, driving faster and more efficient development across sectors. He added that the seamless integration of various stakeholders has led to boosting logistics, reducing delays, and creating new opportunities for several people. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla will lead a parliamentary delegation to the 149th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, or the IPU, scheduled to be held in Geneva from today until the 17th of this month. Mr. Birla will address the Assembly on the theme Harnessing Science, Technology and Innovation for a More Peaceful and Sustainable Future. He will participate in the meetings of the IPU's Governing Council and will meet the Indian diaspora in Geneva tomorrow. The curtains have been pulled down on Durga Puja celebrations in Shillong with the immersion of idols at Waumkhra River. Hindu devotees were seen dancing on the streets in Shillong as different puja committees reached the immersion site where the immersion took place. Durga Puja, the most significant religious festival for the Bengali Hindu community, ended today with the immersion of Goddess Durga's idols in Waumkhra River. The immersion ritual is the final act of the festival, symbolizing the return of Durga to her celestial abode. The East Khasi Hills District Administration ensured meticulous arrangements for a smooth and peaceful immersion ceremony. Today at around between 9 to 10 a.m., a fire broke out in OB shopping mall building in Kandailat. According to the information received, a fire broke out in the morning due to a short circuit in a hotel located above the shopping mall. Since it was a Sunday morning, there were not too many people at the time. There was also no information about any loss of life or property till the time of filing this report. The Sulguri Anchalik Durga Puja celebration at Sulguri village in southwest Garo Hills witnessed thousands of devotees gathering to participate in the festivities on the occasion of Dashami. The grand celebration, which concluded with the immersion of the idol, was graced by the presence of opposition leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, who attended as the chief guest. Sangma, in his address, extended his greetings and praised the unity and harmony displayed by the villagers during the puja celebrations. Durga Puja celebrations in Nongpo and throughout Riboy reached a spirited conclusion today with the traditional immersion of goddess idols at Bernihat Waumtru. The event attracted a large turnout, with thousands of devotees participating in a colourful procession that marked the culmination of the festival. Manishwar Singh, Secretary of Nongpo Ram Mandir, expressed his happiness over the enthusiastic public participation, noting that the Immersion Day symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. In Jawai town, the celebrations unfolded seamlessly, highlighting the lively essence of Durga Puja, organized by the Sarbajanin Durga Puja committee. Enthusiastic members of the Sarbajanin community came together to participate in the immersive procession ceremony held at the majestic Mintadu River in Lanter. The adventure Newre OffRoaders, popularly known as Ahor event, concluded yesterday at Kharsati Nature Park, Umtham, attracting significant excitement and enthusiasm. MB Tongper, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy, attended the final day as the chief guest. Tongper praised the event's success, noting the participation of drivers from Assam, Kerala and other states, and expressed hope for its continued growth in the future. Prizes were awarded to winners of the off-road racing competition, with cash rewards distributed to the top performers.
I want to congratulate and thank our friends and participants from Kerala and from Assam and from other states. Thank you for your enthusiasm. Please take the message of our to your respective states, and I am sure you will publicize this, and next year maybe we'll have many more participants from the various states of the country and perhaps from the world. Let's make this a national event.
India has called upon the Bangladesh government to ensure the safety and security of Hindus and all minorities and their places of worship, especially during the festival period. In a statement, the External Affairs Ministry expressed serious concern over the attack on a puja mandap in Tanti Bazar, Dhaka, and theft at the revered Jeshwareshwari Kali temple at Satkhira. The ministry said these attacks are deplorable and they follow a systematic pattern of desecration and damage to temples and deities that India has witnessed over several days. Since the beginning of the Hezbollah-Israel conflict on 8 October last year, the death toll from Israeli airstrikes on Lebanon has reached 2,255, with injuries totaling 10,524. Lebanon's health ministry said at least 1,645 people have been killed since Israel escalated attacks on Lebanon in September. Meanwhile, the Israel Defense Forces yesterday reported that around 90 rockets and missiles were fired into the country, and most were launched from Lebanon and were intercepted along with 2 drones. In table tennis, India's top-ranked pair of Ahika Mukherjee and Sutirtha Mukherjee have scripted history by clinching the first ever medal for the country in women's doubles of the Asian Championships 2024 at Astana in Kazakhstan. The Indian pair settled for the bronze medal after losing to the Japanese combination of Miwa Harimoto and Miyu Kihara 0-3 in the semi-finals today. And now for a quick look at the weather. The minimum temperature was 12.7 degrees Celsius, with the maximum temperature recorded at 22.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 61%, rising to 74% in the evening. No rainfall was recorded. Light rainfall is very likely to occur at isolated places. And now for those who missed out, here's a quick recap of the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails the completion of 3 years of PM GTI Shakti National Master Plan. The 149th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union to begin today in Geneva. Durga Puja celebrations conclude in Shillong with idol immersion in Umkhra River. A fire breaks out in OB shopping mall at Khandaialad due to a short circuit. And in the Asian Table Tennis Championships 2024, Ahika Mukherjee and Sutirtha Mukherjee script history, clinching the first ever medal for India. That's all we have in the news for today. Until tomorrow, take care.
দেৱী দুৰ্গাৰ প্ৰতিমা বিসৰ্জনৰ বাবে ৰওনা হৈছে